Howdy y'all, in today's video I'm going to be showing you some ornaments I did for a repeat customer. I can't thank Shawna enough for her order. It's real easy to order for me. Just go to the listing. I'll link below to my Etsy store. I prefer you message me and we discuss what you actually want before we get started. But real easy. Just try to tell me what you want. I might message you back with like what's the person's favorite colors, you know, things that are meaningful to them. But other than that, super easy. And I love just trying to figure out what a person wants, you know, bounce ideas off each other. This year, Shawna had me do a few real fun ones. I love how this first Christmas one turned out. I just find it adorable. I'm currently obsessed with like moons and flowers, and that's what she wanted, was a lot of foliage on the two little girl ones. And this one is actually supposed to be Lego Iron Man, so if you're just like, why'd you draw Iron Man like that? It's the Lego one. Quentin apparently is obsessed with the Lego one specifically. This one is for the Tades. You'll notice here that I added like an undertone of blue. I was just trying something new with painting, and I feel like it turned out okay. It set up like a tone that I wanted for the shading of the snow people. My idea behind this was just to have the parents be like Mr. and Mrs. Claus and the kid like an elf. This one was so fun. She asked me to do a snow person that looked pregnant because she's pregnant this year. And I think I achieved it pretty well. I tried to go for the typical pose of a pregnant woman with her hand over her stomach. But I think it turned out okay, and I'm pretty sure she's happy with it. So last year, Easton's ornament was a unicorn, and the colors they chose were purple and pink. So this year, she wanted flowers, but I wanted it to be a throwback to the one from the previous year. That way it's a bit cohesive if, you know, Easton hangs on to these and uses them on her future tree. They, you know, have more of a matching feel. And I was experimenting with different painting techniques on this one. Like, I really like the fade I achieved in the middle of this, and you know, nothing's complete without glitter. For this Lego Iron Man, I was just going for flying Iron Man, and you'll notice that I added glitter for the little, I don't know what you would call them, the little rocket flames. Here they are finished. I adore these. I think these are some of the favorite ones I've done this year. I have a few more lined up to finish, but these are nice. And of course, you know, I add glitter to all my ornaments because it ain't Christmas without some glitter. But anyway, I really appreciate the order, Shawna. I can't thank you enough. I hope everyone has a great Christmas and happy holidays. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe. Bye.